On our April concert, we decided to play a Cenerentola, but written by Prokofiev. It's a very beautiful piece, and at the same time, for our season in the autumn, it will somehow be the invitation for Rossini and for Prokofiev. The other thing, we wanted to present a very joyful and deep Beethoven Symphony, which is number 7, one of his maybe most optimistic pieces, which I hope makes our audience dance. Another piece on our April concert will be Greek piano concerto played by Peter Donohoe. There is a great opportunity for our audience to meet this quite raw but very great music, full of inspiration. A lot of pianists are absolutely sure that this is one of the greatest piano concertos ever written. So let's enjoy.